let's open 3 of my TEMU packages that I got for free. No purchase is required. They have games that you play on there, and I actually won the games. A lot of people say, oh, you have to buy stuff in order to win the games. That is not true, because I didn't buy anything, and all these packages came to me for free. So the first package is actually a really cute cup wrap that I got. You can see it. And it's a cute little cup wrap that says first coffee, then mum shit on it. And this is super cute. So that's the first package. And then the second package has 2 items in it. So first package is gonna be a wig. So it's gonna be a wig. I will include photos in the video so you guys can see what the wig looks like, because I'm obviously not wearing the wig right now. And the second item is this super cute tumbler. It comes with the straw and the cleaning brush. Sorry guys, my dogs are knocking stuff over. And then it comes with this cute Halloween cup. So that is my TEMU packages that I got, and these, like I said, all these are free. Hopefully you guys like this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.